Hello, this is Foshan JHR Smart Tech. Now we are introducing our aluminum light fence. This is the product designed to meet your unique needs with customizations, design, style, and size to fit any property and project. Tailored to perfection. Choose from a wide range of colors, designs, and sizes to create a fence that complements your style and space, which is also easy for installation. Our fans are engineered for quick and hassle-free installations, making it perfect for both professional installers or DIY enthusiasts. Built to last. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, these fans are durable, rust-resistant, and require minimum upkeep, making them a long-lasting investment. The low maintenance cost, and you can say goodbye to expensive repairs and frequent maintenance. Our aluminum fans are low maintain and save your time and money in long run. Perfect for any setting. Whether you are looking for security, privacy, or curb appeal, our customizable aluminum alloy fans are perfect solution for residential, commercial, and industrial applications. And we also have this wooden color for you to choose, and which is only with the wooden color appearance, but all in aluminum alloy material itself. Kindly contact Foshan JHR Smart Tech for your customization aluminum alloy fence solutions. We always at your services.